Done for you suit review. Hey my friend, this is Subhash here, and in this video I am going to explain and give you full depth review about a new product called Done for you suit 3 version 3.0. And basically it is an old product and they creating a new version where you will get a lot of free traffic, leads, sales, and commission to your internet marketing business. Okay, so first of all, if you are watching on YouTube, simply click on the link below and you will redirect to this bonus page. And here I have explained everything about some coupons code and our OTOs and some here demo videos. And this is all about our most bonuses. Here you can see, and I am also providing my bonuses, which is really important than this product. Okay, and the product price is really cheap, and you will get so many bonuses for free. If you spending just 33 dollar, then you will access my $1,000 bonuses for free, and also you will get this software. So I have in members area, and I have did research about this product. So basically it is allow you to rank your website, rank your videos within 48 hours to Google first page and Facebook and Google and YouTube first page. How it work? So first of all, you need to create a campaigns where you can put your website URL which you want to rank, and where you put your YouTube video URL which you want to rank. And this software automatically build backlinks for your videos for your website. And once this software syndicated by a lot of social medias, a lot of integration, it is that backend, so you don't need to do this software do for you. So you need to put your campaigns okay on here. Okay, but before that, I am going to talk about the software's headline, what they claim. So we rank, you can see, we rank all of your videos and niche site for you, and get free targeted buyer traffic to 48 hours less than by leveraging the power of our high quality done for you social syndication system. That is completely true, because they have integrated a lot of social media platforms. So once you put your link, then your links share a lot of social media platform where backlinks generate, then you will get a lot of sales commission and leads. Okay, but before that I am going to explain our custom bonuses, because our custom bonuses much important. So my first bonuses is that internet traffic blueprint. This is our course where you will get how you can generate a lot of free traffic to your affiliate marketing business, your website. Okay, and second number, you will get access my old launches. I have launched so many courses that is premium, you will get completely free once you pick up it. Okay, and also you will get our email marketing mastery course, where you will learn out about how you can make, how you can start a email marketing business. Okay, and here is lead generation course, so you will get my lead generation course. And all exclusive vendor bonuses, you will get 500 plus bonus database. This is another traffic software and courses, and you will get our live support. So if you want our support, simply click on here, get questions, I will personally support. Also you will get some vendor bonuses. Okay, and this is really important bonuses. Okay, agency right for done for you suit, and sub syndicate feature 3 license, and a lot of another bonuses. So these bonuses automatically deliver to your members area. Once you purchase, you can see access your product and the access your bonus on here. Okay, so don't worry, you will get completely this bonuses. So simply click on this red button and you will redirect to this sales page. Okay, so this, he is a creator, I know his person is really amazing guys, and he created a lot of courses. And after then, what you need to do, simply explore. If you have a time, explore before buy. And just a minute, and click on any button on here. I think button is showing on sell direct sales page. So click on any button. Okay, you can click on this button, and I highly recommend you can go with this. Okay, a monthly fee worried limited, and you can click on this and finish checkout. Also, if you are going right now within 24 hours, then you will get our complete coupon code. So you can use done for you coupon code, you will get 5% discount, 7% discount as your timing. So don't late. Okay, so let's go to members area. So this is members area. I have explained everything about this softwares, how because so many people in the competition, they don't know how they rank their software, their website and their YouTube links. So if you're doing YouTube marketing, if you have a website, this software really amazing for you, because you don't need to spend a lot of money for SEO. This software do for you everything for free once you pick up it. Okay, so I highly recommend you. Also, you will get my custom $5,000 bonuses for free with this product. Okay, so let's explain on here. So what you need to do first, once you pick up, then you will get this functionality: create your campaigns. And just a minute, and create a new campaigns. Also, you can connect a network, and there is subscription integration. You will get your bonuses, your purchase bonuses also you can get on here. So here you can see, you can put your name and your website. You can see your YouTube videos and your website, your website URL which you want to rank, and which type your video. Like if you are doing affiliate marketing video, you can put affiliate marketing keyword, which keyword you want to rank. After then it is content and setting and preview. After then it will review, and within 24 hour your you will get a lot of backlinks to your videos. Okay, and my product and bonuses, let's integrate. And if you have any problem, there have tutorials about how you can use this software. So this is really important for you. Okay, because you don't there have a training what is SEO done for you, navigations and info and everything. Okay, so this is really amazing. And my product also, you can go, and there have webinar replay, they explain in a live training webinar. So I think you will you understand everything. And let's talk about network info. So here PA, then for the authority side, so everything have on here. So if you want to know more about, if you want to full details about this product, so I'm recommending you should watch this demo videos. It is a full demo videos. Okay, so don't miss it. So also uh, let's talk about pricing and upsell, because it is really important, and this is a big part of this product. Okay, so I have explained everything on here. So let's talk about OTOs. So OTO 1 you will get just $47, and OTO 2 you will get just $97, OTO 3 you will get just $67, and OTO 4 is 37 to $47. And what you get, and 1 lakh credit to your monthly basis. So it is credit based software. So how many credit you will use inside there have a lot of details. Okay, so you will get 1 lakh credit. So I highly recommend you should go with OTO 1 and OTO 2 done for you indexing platform. Here your customer be able to supercharge their done for campaigns by unlocking out done for you indexing system to there. So I highly recommend you this OTO 2. And a special offer to My Video Spy. My Video Spy is our powerful platform that allow your customer to uncover and so if you have a lot of website do different niche, then I will recommend you should go with OTO 3. Okay, and OTO 4 access our video chiefs, our membership site where 1200 plus done for you videos that can use right away to start securing page one videos ranking. Okay, so they have training systems. So if you want, I recommend you should go OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3. If you want to buy, then you can go OTO buy 4. Okay, so click the link below. If you're watching on YouTube, click the link below and go to my bonus page. Also claim my bonuses, and my bonuses available only for once time hitting 0. Okay, so you once this time hitting 0 with just 2 hour you have once time hitting 0, then you will lose my all premium bonuses. Okay, and my bonuses really important. No anyone can offer this kind of bonuses. If you want, you should go to check out another people's. Okay, so click on this button, go to this button, finish the checkout. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and I personally support you. So Thank you for watching this review videos. I hope you understand it is just updated version, and a lot of people's already buy approximately 1.5 million users have, and they like this product. Okay, so if you need YouTube ranking and your website ranking software, this is one of the best software ever, and go to access now. And I personally support you. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thank you so much. See you again.